Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are making this healthy crackers, okay? It's very easy recipe and it's healthy and it's delicious. It's crispy. Guys, you will love this. So if you're new here, you are welcome. If you're an old subscriber coming back, thank you so much for coming back. Just look at that. It's so crispy, and also I really love it with a nice soft cheese, okay? Just look at this. So come along and let's do this. So guys, to start, I'm using my food processor. I add some oats and then some pumpkin seeds, and also I'm going to add some sesame seeds as well, okay? And I'm adding some onion powder, some garlic powder. I just want to season it nicely. You can use any season of your choice. And I'm adding also some salt, some baking powder. I'll put all the ingredients in the description box for you, but try it. You are going to love it, okay? And I switch on my food processor. I'm adding some water. As you can see, it's turning into a dough because I'm adding a bit of water to it so that you form a really lovely dough. That's all that it is, guys. It's so easy. My dough is formed, as you can see here. It's lovely and it's green because of the pumpkin seeds. Yes, lovely color. So I'm going to put it between two parchment papers, okay? And then I'm going to just roll it nicely and thinly, okay, before I put that into the oven. So come along with me. So guys, I finished rolling it nicely, and this is how I want it. You can just roll it very thin as you want it. It depends on how you want it. Just do what you like. Go with the flow. So I'm cutting it into squares. I like it in squares. I'm using my pizza cutter to just cut it in squares. You can use a biscuit cutter as well if you prefer. Any shape will do. This is how I like mine, okay? So I'm just cutting it nicely. And I'm going to just put some dents in the cracker using my fork, as you can see here, just to help it cook nicely and also much more crispier. All right. Yes, guys, it's absolutely delicious. So try this recipe. Yeah, this is how thinly I like mine. All right. But you can make it as thin as you prefer. I put that onto my tray and into the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending on how crispy you want it. That's all done. As you can see, it's lovely, it's delicious, it's healthy, guys, healthy. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching. May God bless you. Bye.